What's up, Arnold?
You're leaving me. Anyway, we're doing the the Megan and Arnold show in about, I guess, 35 minutes.
We got all the stuff set up.
I mean, this is a serious setup. We have Joey, the film man. Megan's boyfriend will be here. And Megan will be talking about, actually both me and Megan will be talking about raw food and how to treat pretty much every disease out there. I wore my special sexy shirt on because I'm sitting next to a beautiful woman. Anyway, what we're going to do is just have the audience call in for questions. Megan's going to type it out. I'm going to answer it right there on the spot. If you have any questions on breast cancer, diverticulitis,
we got
colitis,
a computer right
Crohn's,
over here.
Doesn't really matter. Every disease is answered the same exact way. To treat any disease based on 7 things. 7 things which I made a YouTube video on. Number 1, first one is love. Most important thing, every moment is a moment of love. Our cells understand English, which means every thought, every action we make has to be in a positive way. When I look at life, and I had a lot of things went wrong this morning, I mean a lot. Anyway, I says, how is this to my benefit? What can I learn from this experience? How is this to my benefit? What can I learn from this experience? And I saw it as a positive thing, not a negative thing. So the first thing is love. Second one, and there's a little debate on that. I'm familiar with Jack LaLanne. He says diet, exercise, diet, exercise. I'm a big believer in a species-specific diet, which means most of my diet is mostly fruit. Today I had mostly fruit today, except for a little bit of nuts. I thought maybe 2-3 ounces. And my bowel movement went from 2 to 3 to maybe almost 3 to 5. So I'm excited about that. All-time record is 5. I don't know, TMI.
Woo! 5 BMs!
TMI,
Yeah.
but that's pretty good. I'm excited about that. Next is exercise. I'm a big believer in exercise. Big believer in rebound. Rebound is over there, somewhere over there. I also do my arm yoga, my rebound, my sit-ups. Big believer in exercise. And actually, a college buddy called me up today. He hadn't seen me at least 5-6 years. He says, Arnold, I've known you. I remember you from 37 years ago. You barely have changed in 37 years. And I said, whoa. I don't think I've changed that much. Well, Megan says I have. A lot of girls have changed.
I've only known you like
but
almost 2 years.
I don't think my body type is basically physically I'm just as fit when I was 20 years old as when I'm 62. In fact, 62 to 63, in my opinion, should be my best years. So first is love, then is species-specific diet. I eat mostly fruit. How long are we going for? And this is what we're going to be talking about in the show.
You're at 2 minutes and 57 seconds.
We're going to talk about 7 stages of healing. We're also going to talk about the 7 stages of disease. Every disease out there, I don't care what disease is based on this factor, which means every disease can be broken down into these 7 stages. First we'll go over 7 stages of healing, then we'll go over 7 stages of disease. So first is love, second is exercise, third is diet. Species-specific diet. I might give too much information. I don't think I'll go in anymore. Wait till the show. We're almost 3 minutes into it. I don't want to talk too long, but basically you're going to see the same thing over in the show. Anyway, anything else? Why don't you just talk? Meg, why don't you have a picture of your safe? Let me do Megan.
Are you going to do this okay? You know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully if this all goes well, we'll do more shows. We really want to reach a lot of people, and I think this is a really good way to get a lot of people from all over excited, because they can just communicate with us like right away, get their questions answered right away, and as opposed to writing an email, waiting, and so we're just trying to have fun and get everybody
no dancing.
Excited.
Little dancing.
Well, I wanted to dance, but
okay.
I think with our setup here, it's not really
Can't dance. Okay.
But that's okay. So.
Anything else?
Not right now.
Okay.
No.
Bye. I turn off.